Hello everyone, my name is Effie with Joylot.com. We'll be taking a look at this Persol model Steve McQueen Special Edition frames. The model of the frame is 96/S3 and the color code is 714. They are foldable frames. The color of the frame is light Havana crystal. With silver detailings. We have over here a Persol tag as well. On the temples here, we have a silver Persol detailing. This is the inside of the frame. Here's all the frame info, 714 96/S3. Steve McQueen in white color. And the other side of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. And we have a Persol logo over here in white. And as well as the inside of the temple tip over here. And in here as well. The other side of the temple is the same with the silver detailing. These are gradient blue polarized lenses. And at the top right, we have a Persol logo engraved in lens with a P for polarized. They also come in this Persol brown color case. It has Steve McQueen on it. The frames fold to be the size of the case, and it's a hard case. We also have a black Persol Steve McQueen gift box. It has Persol logo on it as well. We have a brown Persol microfiber cleaning cloth. We have a Persol certificate booklet. This is an international guarantee certificate. And this is a manufacturer booklet. It's Luxottica. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to go and check out Joylot.com and have a joyful day, everyone.